Be careful.
You need 3 spoons of vegetable oil. You need 1 tablespoon of water. 1 egg. Now let's mix it up. Now you need a baking pan and a wax piece of paper. Messy but still fun. Rolling up. Roly poly, roly poly, roly poly. Get roly poly. Da 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 da, ba ba da da da, ba ba do 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 do. Da 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 do, ba da do do, ba ba do, ba ba do 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 do, ba do that, ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do da da da. Place them in the oven at 350. Now it's time to let the cookies cool off. Time to decorate the cookies.
There's some hair on this guy.
No mouth man. Look, I made it like a beard covering his mouth. But really, the whole thing is just orange.
What are you making?
Everybody. Reese's cups.
You got it. Open it. So guys, we made the peanut butter cookies, and then after it was finished baking, we let them cool off. After they cooled off, we used these candy melts. These candy melts you can get from Walmart, and also you can get it from Target, or you can order them from Amazon. You place them in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time, mix it around until it's fully melted. And then we also have these super cool sprinkles. They're all Halloween colors: black, orange, green, purple. Very nice. So we're also going to be using this as well. And then we have some little Reese's Pieces cups. well, little Reese cups that we can also decorate the cookies with as well. So.
Green is my theme. Green like Luigi, green like Hulk, green like Luigi, green like Hulk, green like the Koopa Troopa shell, like the green shell on Bowser. Happy Halloween! Need 3 tablespoons of vegetable olive oil.
Vegetable oil.
This can't really have the right.